me go, man. Let me go, no, man. Let me go, man. What problem? What the problem?
Where you go? Maud, me just want
Pinky, where you go tell me, say? Where you go tell me, say? Where you can't tell me, say? Talk to me about what? After all of this, look what me do for you. And that's the thanks me get. No have good man, don't know for deal with good man, you know.
Come here now.
Just leave me now, man. Leave me now. Just leave me, man. I don't know for deal with good man. All my years I've been a good man. Let me go on. Just let me go now. Talk to me about what? What is there to talk about?
I'm sorry for what I do. I don't know why you go. Just please stay with me.
You sorry you never burn me up. What that you mean for say? All my years I've been a good man. I work 24/7. I don't know way I not give to you. And these are the thanks. These are the thanks. The latest you get. All the gadgets, everything I have, I pour out to you. What else you could ask her?
I don't even know what happened, B. Honestly, I don't even know what happened. Maybe my head name up on my body. B, I don't want you to go. Just please stay with me.
No. Everybody. You use condom? Answer me! I deserve an answer.
Yes. Shit.
If somebody tell me so this is happen, me not tell them some my mother is with a must be a man. These are the thanks. What we do for deserve this? Oh man, can't wicked so. Look man it. My underpants. My shirt. My cologne. My food. Pinky and me work and buy them here. Pinky, you don't work. All you do is sit on a yard. That's the luxury of what other woman don't have.
B, even if you're not stay, I just beg forgiveness. Please.
Pinky, just
everybody
just
make
leave me
mistake and nobody
just
perfect.
Leave me out. Just leave me out. This
Please,
mistake are the worst
perfect.
mistake. You could have done me anything but cheat from me, Pinky. Pinky, what me do for deserve this? Pinky, of all the things you think of, no, of all the things you think of, man.
I can't do it.
John was star. Police ever catch me out there at the curfew. Alright, let me talk to you real quick. Yes, me know. At this point, I'm half it tired of me I cut into the movies. But guys, trust me. You have to like, and if it's your first time here, you have to click subscribe because all the actors, all the participants, you know, me have to ask them to come and, you know, do the role. And then when they have something more important to do, like me definitely cannot hold them. You understand? So this story in particular, as is a whole lot of the stories, are stories that I took from, you know, when I was a police officer. So people come on and tell me them business, write down now one statement, the detail as to how it happened. So whole heap of them story are just me a drawback for all-time police experience. As I mentioned that, I remember the time when I tell us I go at that hotel, for all the people that were there from when I was police. I remember that story about me telling about the girl where did I give me bun with the white man and I go buck up on. You don't want to see how that, you don't want to use human people and play out the entire thing like the people remember the reaction upon the man's face. Remember the underpants when we have on with the palm cheek. Guys, like and subscribe. So if you guys can help me out, leave likes on the videos. If it's your first time here, click subscribe so I can afford a camera, a lens, pay people to stay and, you know, complete these movies. Because at the end of the day, come on, it's entertainment and, you know, you just click like and subscribe. You understand? So yeah guys, I know to start it and then stop in at the middle, you know, like kind of cutting the vibes and thing, but me can't do better. Right now, I cannot do better. So everything is borrowed. Everything I ask people to assist me, and I'm asking you guys as well to assist me here. So click like, click subscribe, share the content so we can get some of these things out. And a long time I tell you, I really want to do a movie, you know, communicate my experience in the JCF. how the woman inspector the one piece and me and couldn't. I don't worry about uniform and then something. I can't get them. I don't worry about that. So them the part that they are like accoutrements and all them something. I can't get them. I don't worry about that. But I need you guys to like the videos. Share them on our social media and subscribe. And that is how we get these movies done. So everything, you know, you tell them off, you say everything. And everything just in my head. So yeah, stop blab before police come out and come and catch me. So people, like the videos, share them, subscribe for your first time. Let's make some full length movies. Until then, let's come more. I shall see you.